Consider this, as of the year 2023, the average human lifespan has increased to a staggering 82 years. This represents a significant leap from the average of just 70 years at the beginning of the 21st century. The question that begs to be asked is, what has led to such an impressive increase in human longevity? The answer lies in a series of breakthroughs in health span and longevity science. These developments have not just added years to life, but also life to those years, ensuring that individuals can live longer, healthier, and more fulfilling lives. Moving on to the first category of breakthroughs, the role of diet and nutrition. Over the past 2 decades, researchers have established a clear link between diet and longevity. Dr. Peter Attia, a leading longevity expert, emphasizes the importance of a diet low in sugar and high in healthy fats. He also highlights the role of intermittent fasting in promoting cellular repair and preventing age-related diseases. Next, let's delve into the impact of physical activity. It's no secret that exercise is good for health, but recent research has found that regular physical activity can actually slow down the aging process at a cellular level. From improving heart health to boosting brain function, the benefits of exercise extend far beyond just physical fitness. Sleep, often overlooked, is another crucial factor influencing longevity. Adequate sleep, according to Dr. Attia, is non-negotiable for a long, healthy life. Poor sleep patterns have been linked to a host of health issues, from obesity and diabetes to heart disease, and even reduced lifespan. Another exciting development in the field of longevity is the study of genetics and its role in aging. Scientists have identified certain genes that seem to influence lifespan, opening up the possibility of genetic interventions to enhance longevity in the future. But what does the future hold for the field of health span and longevity science? The potential seems limitless. With advancements in technology and medicine, it's conceivable that the average human lifespan could continue to rise. Imagine a future where age-related diseases are a thing of the past, where aging is no longer seen as an inevitable decline, but as a process that can be managed, even optimized. It's a future where health span matches lifespan, where every individual can look forward to not just a long life, but a long, healthy life. And while we're not there yet, the breakthroughs we've discussed today bring us a step closer to that future. Each development, each discovery, each piece of the puzzle adds to our understanding of longevity and how to enhance it. As we continue to push the boundaries of what's possible, we inch closer to a world where living to 100 and beyond is not just feasible, but the norm. And that surely is a future worth striving for. So here's to the scientists, the researchers, the pioneers who are leading us on this journey to a longer, healthier life. Because every second, every minute, every hour, they are making a difference. They are redefining what it means to grow old, and for that, they deserve our gratitude. Remember, longevity is not about reaching a certain age. It's about living a long, healthy, fulfilling life. And thanks to the breakthroughs in health span and longevity science, that's a future we can all look forward to. Like, subscribe and comment for more on the science of biohacking, health span, and longevity news.